Okay, so let's be real. Everyone says make money online, but no one tells you how to do it with zero experience. So today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to make your first $100 day, even if you're starting from nothing. No skills, no money, just a phone, Wi-Fi, and some consistency. Let's go. I'm gonna break it down into 3 simple steps and give you 2 bonus tips that most people won't tell you. Stick around to the end. This could change everything for you. So step 1, pick a simple service. You don't need to be a pro. Just offer something people already need. Like imagine you have a shop, right? What would help you sell more stuff? Yeah, photos of those products without backgrounds. That's one service. Another is maybe creating social media posts or writing product descriptions using I that you can just copy and paste onto your website. Here are 3 easy services anyone can offer. Remove image backgrounds using Canva, create social media posts using templates, write product descriptions using ChatGPT. So pick one. It doesn't matter which. Just choose. Step 2, create a basic portfolio. Before you start posting your service, you need to show clients what you can do, not read your life story. You just need a basic portfolio that proves you can deliver results. Here's how to build it without clients. Use free tools like Canva, CapCut, Google Docs, etc. Make 3 fake samples for your chosen service. Save them as a PDF or upload them on Google Drive, etc. Link it on your bio, add some proof points like client results, and the tools you use like designed with Canva, and boom. You just build a mini site to showcase your work. But here's a secret weapon. Use your Instagram page as your main portfolio. This builds instant trust. Now you might be thinking, what if I don't have any clients to get reviews? Here's the hack. Offer 1 free job to a friend or family member. Ask for an honest review and screenshot it. Then ask them to leave you 3 more leads who you can also offer the same deal to. You'll get more reviews faster and more clients. Step 3, get your first 3 clients. Now it's time to make money. Here's where to find them. Post your service in FB groups, DM small business pages on IG, and offer 1 free job for a review and ask for referrals. And this should get you at least 3 clients to get started. And here's a secret. On your first call with a potential client, ask them if they know anyone else who needs your service. If they say yes, book a time for you to speak to them together and close them both as clients. Now let me give you 2 bonus tips that will skyrocket your success. Tip no. 1, offer a bundle instead of charging $10 for one thing. Offer 3 services for $40 to $50. People love packages because it feels like more value. For example, if you decided to do logo designs, offer a package that includes a logo plus 1 IG post design plus story highlight cover equals $45. Even if you charge $20 for each of those separately, offering them all together for $45 makes it seem way more valuable. Tip number 2, upsell something easy. Once you've done a job for a client, ask them if they want you to manage their IG for a week, edit 3 more videos, or write more content. You've already built trust, so upselling is easier. If you're delivering great results, clients will want to work with you again. Let's sum it up. Pick an easy digital service, make a mini portfolio, find 3 clients using social platforms, bundle your services, and upsell and repeat. Now I know what you're thinking. That was easy, but how much can I actually make? Well, the sky's the limit. But let's be practical. If you spent 4 hours working at $25 an hour, that's $100 a day. And guess what? I've seen people make this amount in just a few days. Your phone can either scroll you into depression or help you earn your first $100. The choice is yours. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have any skills. Well, you don't need them. All you need is a phone and a dream. The rest can be learned. And if you think making money online is too complicated, trust me, it's not. But if you're constantly scrolling through social media, you're more likely to feel overwhelmed and less motivated to take action. So here's what you need to do. Take a break from social media, put your phone away, and focus on these next few minutes. If you really want to make money, you have to focus. And here's the best part. If you stick with it and stay focused, you can make real money. Not only will you stop mindlessly scrolling, but you'll actually achieve something. In fact, you'll have a new sense of purpose and direction. And guess what? It all starts with taking a break from social media. Stop mindlessly scrolling and start being intentional with your actions. Here's the harsh truth. You can't make money online if you're constantly distracted by social media. So take a break, focus on what you really want, and start taking action. Trust me, it's worth it. When you see others succeeding online, don't be envious. Be inspired. Think about how you can apply their strategies to your own life. Instead of feeling jealous, channel that energy into motivation. Remember, you have the same 24 hours in a day that they do. Use them wisely. You're probably thinking, yeah, easier said than done, right? Well, I get it. I've been in your shoes. But I'm telling you, it's possible. It might not be easy, but it's definitely possible. The key is to start taking action towards your goals, even if it's just small steps. Every little bit counts. And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. You're just getting started. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own wins, no matter how small they seem. Trust me, you can do this. You have what it takes to succeed. Don't let social media bring you down. Use it as fuel to push yourself harder and achieve your goals. So let's get back to the video. Now, if you're serious about making money in 2025, hit subscribe to Leave Lip Studio because I'm dropping real no fluff guides every week. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on future updates. This platform is your gateway to financial freedom. So don't wait any longer. Start today and build that life you're after. Don't let another day go by without taking action towards your dreams. The time is now. And if you're serious about earning online, hit subscribe to Leave Lip Studio, where we turn hustle into income.